Union Bank Secured Credit Cards Honest Review Watch Before Using. Union Bank Secured Credit Cards Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people think you need perfect credit to get a credit card, but here's the surprising truth. Secured credit cards let you build or rebuild your credit safely. Union Bank offers secured credit cards where your credit line is backed by a cash deposit. The deposit protects the bank while you use the card for everyday purchases, paying bills, or online shopping. The surprising truth is that responsible use of the secured card, paying on time, and keeping balances low can improve your credit score over time. Most people get this wrong, thinking secured cards are less useful. In reality, they function like standard credit cards, often with rewards, online account management, and security features. Union Bank secured cards are best for first-time cardholders or anyone rebuilding credit history. If your goal is to improve your credit score while staying in control of spending, Union Bank secured cards are worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tool reviews.